Hi, today I will share a tutorial for animated a line path. First, choose the pen tool and make a path as much as you want. Make sure the fill is empty and the stroke is on with the width and at least some number with some color on it. Like for me, my width is 31 and the color is black. On the shape layer, go to Contents, Shape, and Stroke. Scroll down, go to Dashes, and click on plus. Increase the number on dash. Right now, I'm trying on the offset. But first, let me adjust the line cap. Choose the round cap, this is my preference. And we also can try to adjust the stroke. Now click the stopwatch on the offset, put the keyframe on your selected second, and change the offset number. If you're increasing the number of the offset, the dash will go to the left, but if you're decreasing the number, the dash will go to the right. And that's it, the line will move on its own. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!